Well, here at the lunch hour, the sun is shining, but storms are once again on the way.
Our first warning weather team has issued a severe weather warning day. We want to get straight to meteorologist Eric Burris. Eric, these storms will be rolling in around 4 o'clock again.
That's right. And with all of the heat of the day, there's going to be plenty of energy to fire them up. Now, this is the severe weather risk where we think the dynamics are highest. And in yellow, from Orlando and the tourist district over to the I-95 corridor, there is a level 2 out of 5 risk for scattered strong to severe storms. The further west you are, that threat drops off to a more isolated risk. Essentially, the same spots that saw the storms yesterday have the potential to see the strongest storms today. My biggest concern is going to be for damaging wind gusts, straight line winds, 50, 60 miles an hour. And like yesterday, the potential is there for hail. Tornadoes, definitely something that we'll be watching very closely for, but there's not a significant shear in the atmosphere. But there's still enough. And then, of course, some soaking rains to boot. So looking ahead to the 12-hour forecast, 3 p.m. we'll start to watch a few showers popping, but it's really 4 p.m. right through 10 p.m. Highlighted in red there, that's the time that we'll have those widespread storms. So take a look at Futurecast. We're good now, but notice by 2 o'clock starting to popcorn up some rainfall, and by 4 o'clock there are thunderstorms. We'll talk more about Futurecast's look ahead through the afternoon and evening and preview the weekend straight ahead.